Okay, Gurucha explains now. You there? Yes, you with fancy coffee and 20, maybe later, ideas bouncing in skull. Sit near fire, brain about to meet opportunity cost, sneaky beast of hidden trade-offs. Guru Cha bang rock of truth, so you finally see what you keep losing while you think you're winning. Opportunity costs sound like wizard math, but meaning simple. The value of the next best thing you give up when you choose something else. You choose option A, say goodbye to option B, the juiciest alternative you did not grab. Not just coin, time, naps, hugs, tacos, all count. Imagine you drop 50 bucks on concert ticket. Real cost is not just the 50 bucks. It's the dinner date you skip or the emergency savings that stays tiny like baby squirrel. Even free things bite. Spend Saturday binging shows. You pay with hours that could build new skill or earn side hub money. Basically, every yes is a sneaky, no hiding behind it. Waving from the dark like mischievous raccoon. Humans act like time grow on tree and dollars fall from sky. You have same 24-hour son as caveman ancestor who wrestle saber-tooth and still haul firewood. Because resources scarce, every decision is a trade-off. Choose one path, lose another. Go to college, cool. But besides mountain of tuition rocks, you lose the salary you could earn working full-time. That lost paycheck, giant invisible bear chewing on your wallet. Want to start new business? Money you invest there can't also sit in stock market growing like magic bean. You don't just spend, you reallocate. Fancy word for it, you can't be in two hunting parties at once. If you don't see the hidden price tag, it still jump out and bite your behind. Scarcity always collects. Opportunity costs live everywhere like sneaky mosquito. Money hunt, my shiny new phone. Opportunity cost is the weekend trip you can't afford or the index fund you didn't feed. Time hunt, 2 hours in gym, good for muscles, but cost is side hustle or family campfire store you skip. Business hunt, company pick project A, profit from project B runs into forest laughing. Economists call these foregone benefits, but Guru Cha call it ouch you never see coming. It's not about counting all choices, only the best next thing you gave up. That what really stinks. You're the magic club of wisdom. Opportunity cost equals value of next best option, value of choice you pick. Before you shout yes, pause and grunt. What do I give up if I say yes? Compare the tasty gain of your choice with the juiciest thing you didn't choose. Career move, grad school versus $60,000 salary. Lost income is giant part of cost. Tiny moments, next time fingerage for doom scroll. Picture glowing meter counting what else those minutes could buy. Push-ups, freelance coin, extra sleep. This is not guilt club, it is superpower. Use it to aim dollars, hours, and brain spark where payoff biggest. Basically, it's night vision for decisions. See invisible mammoth before it trample your plans. Opportunity cost not here to shame you, it here to free you. Knowing the hidden price of every yes lets you steer your life instead of drifting like lost canoe. Maybe you still buy latte because warm foam makes soul happy. Good. You just know the trade and choose with big brain, not sleepy lizard brain. Spend evening with friends instead of overtime. Also good. Take job with less coin but more peace. Maybe best choice for tribe heart. The point is clarity. Every decision, from big hunts like career change to tiny snacks like midnight cookie, has invisible price tag. When you see it, you stop guessing and start choosing like true chief. Opportunity cost equals the real price of every yes, measured in the best no you left behind. Choose with open eyes and your tribe, your wallet, and your peace of mind stay strong. That all. Me make more soon. You subscribe or me sad. Guru Cha vanish now. Poof.